If you're seeing the Outlook error that says, "Cannot send this item," you're not alone. This usually happens when you try to reply to an email and Outlook runs into a formatting issue, often caused by long links, a complicated signature, or the message being sent in a format that doesn't play nicely with the content. The good news is that there's a simple fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss the next solution. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Outlook and go to the email that is giving you the error. This issue often appears when you click Reply or Forward, so start by opening that message and preparing to respond. If the error appears right away, don't worry, the fix is still the same. Now, look at the top of the message window and find the Options tab. In the new Outlook interface, this is where you can adjust how your email is being sent. Click on Options and then look for the message format settings. What we want to do here is change the format from the current setting to either rich text or plain text. If your email is currently set to HTML, that can sometimes cause issues when Outlook tries to send a reply that includes a long link, special formatting, or a signature that doesn't render correctly. Switching to rich text or plain text often removes the conflict and lets the email send normally. Choose rich text first if you want to preserve some formatting while still improving compatibility. If that doesn't solve the problem, switch to plain text, which is the simplest and most reliable format. Plain text removes extra formatting and can be especially useful if the message contains problematic content that keeps triggering the error. After changing the format, go back to your message and try sending it again. In many cases, this alone will fix the "cannot send this item" error immediately. If the message sends successfully, that means the issue was caused by a formatting conflict, and the new format has resolved it. If you still have trouble, take a quick look at the signature or any links inside the email. Sometimes a very long URL or a copied signature can be the cause, but in most cases, changing the email format through the Options tab is the key step that gets everything working again. So to quickly recap, open the problem email, go to Options, change the format to rich text or plain text, and then send the message again. It's a fast fix and it usually solves the issue without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Outlook fixes, Microsoft Office tips, and everyday software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.